Hello everyone. In the last 30 days, I've earned over 151,000 naira here on my dashboard, and in the last 7 days here, I've earned over 50,000 naira right here. As you can see, this is 53k, and today I've earned over 7,640 naira right here. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the best way to earn a passive income even while you sleep on the online space. So if you love this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then love this video, share it to your friends that might need it, and let's go. Now if I go over here and I go over to my wallet, okay, let me show you other things I've done here and how I've been able to withdraw. Okay, so I click on this view transaction right here, and I'll be able to view my transaction. Let me say I choose from this place, I choose to the end date here. Let me go over here, choose from here. I can decide to choose from 01 and then 2023 right here. Then the end date, I can actually choose this 10, then this 30th, and then 2023 here. I click on OK right now. Sorry, I made a mistake here. I click on this OK. Now these are all the transaction and how it has been going right here. As you can see, this is how it has been going so far, and in the last few months, all time I've been doing this, I've earned more than 500k with this same business model. Now what is this business model right here? Let me show you the website and the app I use for all this earning right here. Now this is what I did. I opened an app that is called Triple Amps Pay right here, and if you look out here, you can see these are people that are buying things on this app. Now this is the app here, this is the person, this is this person, and so many of them right here are buying, and I have over 6,000 pages right here. Okay, so this 6,000 pages, each page contains about 5 people, and if you calculate 5 times 6,000 right here, look at the pages here. Okay, so I have over 6,000 pages here. 5 times 6,000, that means I've made over 30,000 transactions right here. Okay, so let me show you what I did here. As you can see, I've connected all the API from MTN and suppliers of data to my own website and app, and as you can see, people are now buying and selling on this app. And if you don't know how to set up this, I want you to click on the link below, or you can WhatsApp me with the number I'll drop in my comment section, and then I will show you how to set up this. We'll set up everything for you and then hand it over to you in just 3 days and teach you how to promote it and start getting people to register on your platform. Now if I go over to my dashboard here, this is my admin dashboard right here, and if I come over here and let me go over to users, all users, and let me show you how many users I've gotten so far. Now these are all of my users here. I will not show you their information. So I've gotten over 600. Let me go over 600 users here so far on this account, and these 600 users are people that have this money right now. And then look at it, 611 users right here, and it's still growing because it's still new, and you too can do more if you start today. So I'm going to be teaching you how to connect all the API that will generate your income using your Monify account. Teach you how to set up your Monify account, teach you everything on how you can process your money and get paid every single day in passive income, whether you're sleeping, working, or not. So if this interests you, make sure you click the link below or WhatsApp me so we can get started. So this is all I have for today to make money and passive income. If you love this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will see you there. Goodbye.